G'day guys and welcome back to another Puffin Billy's live channel. This is a very special day for the Puffin Billy on the railway today, and you may hear from the yesterday on 9 News. Yes, we will be filming passengers sitting in the window at the edges, dangling our legs again. So we'll be filming, we'll be do some certain location today. So I hope you guys join this video for today. Enjoy. And please, let's just give the free a round of applause for welcoming the people passengers dangling our legs back. And thank you for supporting us. We appreciate to do this. So we'll start at Belgrade first, and then before the train leaves, we'll go to the bridge and watch the passengers dangling our legs. This is welcome back of the dangling our legs today. Enjoy of this special video today. So we're gonna film the double heading towards Menzies Creek first, and maybe towards Emerald maybe. So guys, will be part 1 of the video. I just forgot to tell you. What are you doing, little guys? Alright, let's just continue this scheme. So guys, this is so amazing to see everything back. So this is 4 years. Just comment down below, how do you feel about this? Please comment, please subscribe and hit the like button if you feel happy. And we have number 12A coming out from the shed. Here's 7A. So guys, after we watched, coming up on Puffin Billy's Live, we're going to film the drawing at the bridge of the double heading of the dangling our leg. This is so exciting, guys. I really understand for you. And guys, let's just give a one little round of applause for the Puffin Billy Railway people. This is so amazing, guys. You all of you, been waiting so hard. We could understand for you. You have done so brilliant, guys, and thank you for being so patient. And let's hope we don't do this again, please. Please, comment down below, do you agree with me? And guys, don't be scared. It's all part of getting used to getting back how it is. And guys, let's do another congratulate. So coming up, we'll be filming the bridge. Alright guys, we are back for another video, and we are in the first location. We are at the Mockrock Creek Treasure Bridge. So this is our first location, and then next will be Menzies Creek Station. See you when the train will be approaching towards the Montbell Creek Trestle Bridge. Alright guys, the train will be departing at Belgrave soon. Right now it's 10 o'clock, and I hope you guys watching this video for today. Will be video dangling our legs part 1. It's just sitting on a window of the edges. Alright guys, we just heard a whistle for the, so like what I said before, we'll be filming here first, then we'll film the next location, which is the next location will be Menzies Creek. We have the double heading like 7A and 8A.
So many options. It's still one moment. You've only got 1 second. I mean, I feel like this video is always I'll do a video.
Or it might be 7A and 8A. I mean 8A and 7A double heading. So the double heading will be ended up to Menzies Creek. And then one engine will be continued to Lakeside. So this is part 1, guys, for dangling our legs.
Unintentionally, I wanted you guys to go. Hi. Terribly unplanned. What are you talking about? This is great.
So guys, this is your big moment, the moment that everyone in the day knows is waiting for. It's finally returned. This is Puffin Billy, 5th of February 2022. The Puffin Billy Railway has returned as unusual return. I like the percent that Puffin Billy, that everyone is allowing to dangling our legs again. We banned it in 2018, and this is 4 years we banned it, but we allowing that everyone can sit in the windows again. So, guys, this is your moment to be waiting. It's finally coming now. So stay tuned. This is your moment to be waiting. Here comes 8A and 7A double heading through the Montfort Creatures Bridge. See you in the next location.